welcome back to the science session. So this is gonna be special edition of men's ring, and I'm going to share how to build men's signet ring by manual curve and surface. So as you can see, this is the model of the ring that I'm going to make. Okay, so let's start. Alright, first of all, you can pick the ring size that match with your finger, and once you get the fit ring size, you can adjust the position of the stone. Then make sure the position is not too high or too low. And I duplicate the edges of the stone to create the offset curve, because this is going to be the crown of the ring. Yep, I adjust the position of the ring crowns, because in that part is going to be a bezel for the stone stand. And the next step is create the profile ring by using the arc from the drawing menu. Okay. Yep. And after that, I split the curve and I delete the other side, and I mirror this curve because it will make me easier to adjust the curve, because the result of the mirror will follow the master curve. Yeah, as you can see, the piece better without the grid. Okay, now I added the point just to find the right shape, the good shape. Because all of the curve except the red curve is going to be the network curve to build the surface. Okay, and this I will make the other curve network from the right view, because I need the curve to be on the four sides to build the surface. Also, I need one curve network with the same shape as the crown curve. You can create the curve network as your desired based on the shape of the ring crowns, because I want to build the oval ring, so I make the oval curve networks. Okay, there you go. The surface is created, but I think it's too oval. I want to be a parts that look a little firm, so I will adjust the curve again by adding the point. Okay, let's adjust on this part. Create the surface by using the network command. Yeah, there you go. Okay, that's enough. I think that's good. after this, make a hole by split the surface using the gauge curve, using the red curve, and delete all of the curves. So I want the ring look sleek from the right view, and I use taper command. The rigid and the infinite has to be yes. But there is the bad part on the bottom of the ring, and I will split and delete the bottom of the ring and create a new one. But before I create a new bottom ring, I will fix some parts by using Gauge Edit. Okay, and let's build the bottom of the ring by create a curve from duplicate edge. And once you get the curve, you can project the curve to the C-plane because it will make you easy to edit the curve. I will build the surface again to make the bottom of the ring, but before I build the surface, I need some curves as a framework. Now I'm creating the curves as a framework for the surface. Use command to make framework. To create a surface, and you pick the curve of the framework, and the surface is created. Join the two surfaces and delete all of the curves. And now all we need to do is make the surface to be solid poly surface. Next step is build the crown of the ring. You can create curve from duplicate edge, or from the line command in the drawing menu, or the curve command. There's so many ways that you can use to create a curve. Start from will the bezel or the stone stand or the stone plate, whatever, by offset the surface of the stone, maybe about 0.4 to 0.5 millimeters, and cut the offset surface. So this is it, the simple basic men's ring with a black stone on the top. So okay, I think it's enough for this video. I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next design session.